Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. Let's get into it. First of all, before we upload the short, you have to make sure that you have edited the video in the right aspect ratio, which is 9:16 or 1080p by 920p. And it should look like this over here, which is a vertical video. 1080p is the width and 920p is the height. Also, the video has to be under 1 minute long. So after you got the video rendered in the correct aspect ratio, what you want to do is go to your YouTube and click the create button, upload video. And you want to select the file, click open. So when you upload the short, once processed, the video link will change from being a YouTube link to a YouTube Shorts link. And as you can see, now that the video is uploaded and processed, the link over here changes to youtube.com/shorts. So I've published the video and we're going to go and click on it just to show you that it is a short. So again, if it's a short, then you'll get the youtube.com/shorts link instead of the youtube.com/video link. And then your video will be under YouTube Shorts. So that is it for this video. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Also, let me know if you have any troubles with this video and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from me. Peace out.